Most people think they overthink because they are anxious. That's incorrect. Anxiety is emotional. Overthinking is mechanical. It's not fear, it's delay. If your mind feels busy but nothing moves, this video is for you. This is Mentops. Anxiety creates urgency. Overthinking creates postponement. An anxious mind wants relief. An overthinking mind wants certainty. That difference matters because certainty never arrives. The mind keeps running simulations, waiting for the perfect condition. But systems don't wait. They execute. When execution is delayed, pressure accumulates. And that pressure gets misdiagnosed as anxiety. Here's the mechanism. Thinking feels productive because it looks like work. But delayed execution creates a hidden cost. Energy builds up. Decisions stack. The longer you delay, the heavier the next action feels. Eventually, starting feels harder than thinking. That's when people say, "I'm anxious." But the system error is simple. Nothing moved. Smart minds don't avoid action. They postpone it. They wait for more clarity, more information, more confidence. But action doesn't follow clarity. Clarity follows action. Without movement, the system stalls. Not because of fear, but because execution never starts. This is not emotional weakness. It's a process without a trigger. So how do you break the delay? By executing a bad action. Don't wait for the perfect start. Do it poorly. Write a bad sentence. Run a slow mile. Just start the engine. Optimization comes later. Execution must come first. Overthinking is not anxiety. It's execution delayed too long. And delayed systems always feel unstable. Mentops exists to restore movement. If you want a structured way to trigger action under pressure, check the guide in the description. And if the system feels critical, use professional help. Structure creates motion. Motion creates calm. This is Mentops.